Hi, I'm Rob with We Keep You Cycling, and today looks Keo Classic pedals. In their lineup, they're entry level, but I gotta tell you, they're not so entry level. They still have Look's great silky smooth bearings, one here and a needle on the inside. Their fantastic adjustable resistance on the rear, set for a slightly lighter range for easier entry and exit, and still sharing the Keo Grip cleats for a fantastic entry and exit and a good walking experience. You might be surprised to know that the Look Keo Classics are a mere 20 grams heavier than Shimano's recent debut of the 6700C carbon pedal, which was their budget-minded carbon. That gives you an idea of how much value you're getting at a third of that price. What it does lack is the stainless steel wear plate. The Classics ship with Keo Grip cleats. The grip signifies the inclusion of rubber pontoons that aid for walking. 4.5 degrees is more than enough float for most folks. Look still offers the red cleat with 9 degrees of float, and of course has always been selling the 0 degrees in black, though I don't recommend it for most folks. I'm Rob with We Keep You Cycling, and this is the Keo Classic in either gray or red. If you have any questions about these pedals or any of the pedals we carry, drop us a line or email us info@wekeepyoucycling.com.